In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HP laptop black screen, but turns on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your HP laptop is on, but the screen is black. You can see the backlight on, but there's nothing being displayed, something like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So usually this is just caused by a software crash or something like that. And I'll be walking you through several steps to fix it. So the first way to fix it is to simply do a keyboard combination of Shift Control, the Windows button, and B at the same time. Hold that down for maybe 5-10 seconds. You may see the screen flash. You may see your mouse come back. You may also see everything come back. That was just a quick reset of the graphics card. But if that didn't work for you, don't worry. The next thing we can do is find the power button. And on this laptop, it's right here in the top left. Looks like that. If you're looking for anything with that symbol, it might be in the top center or on the other side. All we want to do is hold down that power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to hold it down. You might see the backlight on the screen turn off, hear the fans turn off, or the backlight on your keyboard turn off. Keep holding it for around 5 seconds after that, then let go of the power button. And now just hold down the power button for around 4 to 5 seconds. Give it some time. And after a little bit, you'll see it start booting up. The backlight just turned on and our display is working again. So it was just a software issue. And we just did a quick hard reset of the laptop, not affecting the files, and that fixed the black screen issue. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.